Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best video collage apps for iPhone and Android in 2025. If you're a content creator, social media lover, or just someone who wants to turn your memories into eye-catching collages, this video is for you. With so many options out there, I'll break down the top picks that are user-friendly, packed with features, and optimized for the latest devices. First up, let's talk about CapCut. This app is a powerhouse for both iPhone and Android users. In 2025, it's got advanced AI editing tools that automatically suggest layouts and transitions for your videos. You can add music, text, and effects with just a few taps. Pros include its free version with minimal ads and seamless integration with social media. However, if you're on an older device, it might lag a bit. For iPhone users, CapCut stands out with exclusive Apple AR features, making your collages pop in 3D. Next, InShot is another favorite, especially for Android. It's super intuitive, with tons of templates for video collages, and it supports 4K resolution. On iPhone, it syncs perfectly with your photo library. The best part? You can add stickers, filters, and even speed up or slow down clips. Downsides include occasional watermarks on free exports, but the Pro version is worth it at just a few bucks. Don't overlook Adobe Premiere Rush. It's ideal for more professional edits on both platforms. In 2025, it boasts cloud syncing, so your projects are accessible anywhere. For Android, it handles high-performance tasks smoothly, while iPhone users get enhanced color grading tools. The learning curve is a con, but once you get the hang of it, your collages will look studio quality. Lastly, for a fun, quick option, try Quick by GoPro. It's perfect for Android and iPhone, with automated editing that arranges your clips into collages based on the beat of your music. It's free and ad-free, which is a huge win, but it has fewer customization options compared to the others. In summary, whether you're on iPhone or Android, these apps make video collages a breeze. CapCut is great for beginners, InShot for quick edits, Adobe Premiere Rush for pros, and Quick for effortless fun. Head over to your app store, give them a try, and let me know in the comments which one you love most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.